What is a tree diagram? It's this, right?
No, not even close. Okay, so a tree diagram is a tool that we use in general mathematics, probability, and statistics that allows us to calculate the number of possible outcomes of an event, as well as list those possible outcomes in an organized manner. So each branch in a tree diagram represents a possible outcome. If two events are independent, however, the outcome of one has no effect on the outcome of another. So what's the big idea in a tree diagram? In order to make a tree diagram, you must first draw it. 2, demonstrate the information that you have. And 3, solve the problem. The situation that we have been given here is there are experienced lacrosse players at WRA and there are non-experienced lacrosse players. And the probability that someone at WRA is an experienced lacrosse player is 78%. The probability that someone at WRA is not an experienced lacrosse player and can make a goal is 43%. The probability of a lacrosse player not making a goal is 15%. The question we are given: if a randomly selected person cannot make a goal, what is the probability that that person is a lacrosse player?
With the information that we are given, we are going to correctly plot it on the tree diagram. In order to solve for the asked question, we have to find the rest of the data and plot it on the tree diagram. The data that we are finding are the percentages of lacrosse players that are inexperienced, the percentages of goals by experienced lacrosse players, and the percentages of no goals by inexperienced lacrosse players. In order to complete the tree diagram, we have to find the percentages of all possible outcomes. In order to solve for the question asked beforehand, we have to add the two possible outcomes together. Seeing as how we want to solve for the percentage of experienced lacrosse players that cannot make a goal, we put that percentage in the numerator, and then for the denominator we have the two added possible outcomes. If solved for correctly, your answer should be 48% of experienced lacrosse players cannot make a goal.